Hey, so clearly you are watching this video because you want to learn how to grow and how to thrive on social media. Doesn't matter the platform, just literally social media. So in order to thrive on social media, you must master the first step, which is going to be personal branding. Branding yourself as a person or as the face of your brand. So as an exclusive deal for you guys, I have my personal branding ebook linked below for free. In order to do this, you have to know yourself completely and you have to know the value that you are going to bring to the table. So if you're asking like, what is personal branding? Personal branding is literally going to be the way that everyone on social media perceives you, what people associate you with, and also what people think of when they hear your name or see an image of you. Okay, so let's get into some benefits of branding on social media. Creating a personal brand for yourself on social media are going to do the following things for you. First and most important, it is going to boost your credibility. So it's going to also help you establish an association in whatever niche you are in. And of course, most of all, it is going to increase your value. Being on social media means sharing your expertise, your personality, and your passion in a way where you are providing value to other people. If you're sitting here thinking like, I don't know how to add value, I don't know where I can add value, I don't know who I'm adding value to, this is gonna be your first step in personal branding. Once you find the areas you are excelling in, areas that you are successful in, you can begin using that to brand. You can begin using that to be the person to go to for that niche. Always remember, when you are first starting out, try to stick and stay in one niche. Once you master that one niche, then you can start branching out. So if you're having a hard time figuring out your area of expertise, I definitely recommend for you to just sit down and try to remember a time where a friend or a family member or even a random person ever came to you and they asked you for your advice. They asked you for help in a certain subject. Chances are they think that you are knowledgeable in this subject. They know that you have the skills, so they are looking to get value. They're looking for you to school them. They're looking to get knowledge from you on this subject. You can also sit down and think to yourself, what are things that you know, things that you can do better than most people can do? Write a list of 3 things, at least 3 things, guys, that you are good at. And this is definitely going to help you to determine what expertise and what type of knowledge or value you can provide to people. So after you have figured out your area of expertise, you can then move on to the next step, which is going to be finding your target audience. Who are they? Where are they? How do they sound? How do they look? How old are they? What is their nationality? This is all things that help you to determine your target audience. So once you determine your target audience, you're going to find those people and you are going to target them with your content. And remember, when you are creating content, try your hardest to provide knowledge. Unless you are in the entertainment niche, that's completely different. Then you would just be providing entertainment. If you're in the beauty niche, you're providing tutorials on how to help people do their makeup. If you're in finance, you're gonna help people to save money, help people to make money. So just stick to your niche and know your target audience and target those people with valuable content. Once you have your expertise, you have your target audience, you're producing content, you've been doing it for a while. You guys, I've been on YouTube for 9 years. You've been doing it for a while. This is when you can begin to build your personal brand. As you're building that brand, you're gonna start upselling people. I'm here on YouTube doing all this free content for you guys, but you best to believe that I have a higher level where you guys can actually pay to get more knowledge or even pay to get one-on-one mentoring. It's all a part of personal branding. Please remember, please do not come into this social media game thinking that you're going to grow super fast. Again, it took me 9 years to actually realize that I didn't want to do beauty content anymore and I wanted to do financing and helping entrepreneurs. It takes a while to grow, guys. This is not done overnight. So I just want to tell you guys, try not to get discouraged. It does take time, you guys. It takes time. Nothing happens overnight. You have to focus on building up your content, so when people and your page starts getting traffic, people come to your page, they're happy with your content. They're happy with what they see. They feel like they are being educated. They feel like you're providing value. So when you go to upsell them on products and courses, they will not have a problem supporting you, because look what you're giving for free. This is the whole point, guys. This is how we want it. So that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Subscribe, hit the notification button, you will never miss one of my videos, and make sure you are sharing this content with other entrepreneurs, guys. Like, it's free. Like I said, I always say my content is free, so definitely share it with someone who can benefit from it. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Until next time, guys, peace and much love. Bye, guys. So as an exclusive deal for you guys, I have my personal branding ebook linked below for free, you guys. This is a book that I normally charge for, but I love you guys so much and I want all of you guys to grow. I want you to learn how to personally brand yourself. So I'm offering you guys this exclusive offer for free down in the description. Go ahead and get your free ebook, guys.